Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco shells from tortillas. Start by choosing corn or flour tortillas and decide whether to fry, bake, or air fry them for crisp results. Keep oil at the right temperature to avoid greasy or burnt shells. Use tongs or a mold to shape tortillas consistently into taco curves. Let shells drain on paper towels briefly, then cool slightly before filling for best texture and safety. Gather a skillet, wire rack or taco mold, tongs, and a thermometer for reliable results. Prep tortillas by warming briefly to make them pliable, then pat dry to remove excess moisture. For bake shells, lightly brush both sides with oil and drape over a rack or mold. For frying, maintain a steady 350 degrees F and fold with tongs until golden brown. Cool shells slightly before filling to keep them crisp. Choose frying for quick, classic taco shells and watch oil temperature closely to avoid soggy results. Baking gives a lighter alternative with fewer calories and requires flipping once for even color. Air frying offers consistent heat and minimal oil for a healthy crisp, using a short preheat and a quick rotate. Test one shell first to fine-tune time and temperature, then adjust for tortilla size and desired browning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.